Hello everyone, my name is 2nd's, and today is Saturday, March 3rd. If any of you have been watching the weather and you live pretty local to the Slate Belt or Bangor or anywhere in the area, you'll know that we just got smacked by a huge blizzard last night, which had winds up to 70 mile an hour gusts, and I don't know. We were on the mark from 1 to 3 to 3 to 6 inches of snow. Now, as you can tell, half of it's melted already because it warmed up really fast this morning. It's almost 40 degrees now. But yeah, last night, pretty much, if not the whole town of Bangor, most of Bangor, East Bangor and parts of Mount Bethel had absolutely no power. And that's what that is. That's my generator, because I don't have power right now. So we're just running, you know, the refrigerator and heat and stuff off of that. So I wanted to go out and look around and see just how much damage the storm caused, because there were wires down and trees down everywhere from what I heard. So I wanted to go out and see just what I could find. So yeah, I was gonna upload a truck compilation last night, but I can't run my computer off the generator. That isn't that safe. So I'll wait until I get the power back on. But until then, I'm gonna walk around and see some of this trouble that the storm has caused us. Well, this is just in my yard alone, and looks like our one pine tree got shredded. Yikes! And wow, look over here. This all came from one tree. There's a big chunk. You really can't tell where it came from, but you know that it came from here because look at that. Yeah, but we had 40 mile an hour winds and then gusts that went up to about 70. And that's pretty scary. Especially when you live in a house that's dozens and dozens and dozens of years old. This is a big one here. The generator is so loud. Luckily, it kind of muffles itself when you go inside the house. Usually this big oak tree here has a lot of stuff falling off of it. This isn't bad. I've seen a lot worse. This one here came off of it about, I don't know, a week ago, and that's that big around. It's almost as big as my hand. We don't want to get hit in the head with that. I'm gonna walk around town and see what I can just walking up the street. That's how much of the snow is melting. It's all running down the street already. It's crazy. You get a storm where it's 40 degrees out, or like 30, 20 degrees outside, below freezing, and then the next day it's 45, 50 degrees and everything melts. And in 2 days it looks like nothing ever happened. When I was coming home from school yesterday, there were some power lines that were really low to the ground up here. I want to see if they got to them yet, or if they didn't get to them yet. They probably didn't, because I still don't have power. I haven't had power since, I don't know, lunchtime yesterday. And it's pretty hard sitting in your house and not being able to do anything other than sit on your phone. You can't even do much on your phone because I don't have service. Electric is down, which means I don't have service. So I can't really do much at all except take the generator and run maybe some chargers and yeah, well, the fridge, that's pretty much it. But I don't mind snowstorms, but I hate the ones that destroy everything. Yeah, these wires are way too low up here. I wonder what to... Go down in the comments and tell me what you guys got, if you guys got anything. I don't know when this will be uploaded by. It all depends on when I have power again. But, oh yeah. Those are really low. Get back on the road here. Out of the road, I mean, because I don't want to run over or anything by a Honda. I can't drive. Give me your side of the road. I can't really see why they're down so low. They're just going through the trees. The tree, that's actually above the tree. When I get back out to 512, I'll look a little more. Looks like somebody over in that house is lucky enough to have a generator too. I'd hate to be the people who don't, because then you're virtually stuck with nothing. That was a Frontier truck that passed me. I'm sure they're busy today. I know that MedEd called or put out a notification that they're gonna have everybody back up, but not until it's guaranteed that everybody will have power back by this Wednesday. I hope I'm not the last. What's going on up here? Traffic's all backed up and people are just going around them. Is there an accident? What happened? What's going on? Oh, is everybody waiting to go on Turkey Hill to get gas? Is Turkey Hill back up? I wonder what's going on. Ugh. Look at this. I truck spot here a lot, as you know. You probably recognize this road, but this tree branch has been hanging up there for years, and the wind still couldn't knock it off, but yet it lowered that wire just a little more. Well, I'm gonna go up there and see what that's all about. From the looks of this, yeah, that's what's going on. Turkey Hill's up, and everybody wants to get gas. Geez, it looks like the what do they call that? The gas crisis from way back. The gas shortage or whatever. And everybody was, thousands of people were lined outside gas stations waiting for gas. And then you'd be that one lucky person who pulled in and they'd be like, oh, we're sorry, but we're out of gas. Oh yeah, so Turkey Hill must be on a backup generator, or this part of the town must have power. That's good, because that means they're getting towards us. Hopefully. Yep, that's what's going on. Man, I don't think I've ever seen Turkey Hill that busy before. If this weren't Saturday, this would be a nice opportunity to get some trucks, but no one's going to be out today. I wonder how the park's in shape. There's a big one. And that's right where wow. And as you know, I stand right here. This is my normal truck spotting place. Now I'm standing right, wow. Yeah, we don't want that falling on my head. That hurt. Look how much snow there is. In some spots, look, in some spots there's literally nothing, and over here, there's more, probably a foot right here. It's all because the snow and it drifts. Railroad tracks right here for the train. The little train. There was the Lanta bus, I thought it was a truck. Yep, ripped it right out of the ground, roots and all. You know, looking at all this, I'm starting to wonder what the Portland secondary looks like, because that is nothing but backwoods and trees and overhanging trees. They smack trees all the time from the cab that are hanging low in rain and stuff. I can't imagine what's down there now. They'll have to send up a high rail and a truck with a crane arm on it to clean all this stuff off, because there's no doubt that it pulled some trees down over the tracks. Not that they're going to be up here anyway, because, you know, they don't run up here on a daily basis no more. But I'm sure they'll be running the next potash up here, and hey, who knows, maybe see something interesting. Looks like no one here shoveled their walks yet, so I'm gonna walk out here and hopefully not get hit by Swift. But luckily no Swift has ever come through here, so I think I'm okay. Sounds like somebody over here also has a generator up. Or maybe a snowblower or something, I don't know. My guess is a generator. That's what it sounds like. There's another gust. This isn't near as bad as what it was. I didn't actually go, I didn't dare go outside in the 70-mile-an-hour gusts. Except for I got a plow truck going by, which I'll add to the next compilation now. Which means I guess I'll upload this before the truck video. That way you guys understand why it's taking so long for me to upload it. But yeah, even that standing out there for about 30 seconds to get a truck was absolutely insane. You're getting pelted in the face with snow and ice and flying sticks and all that stuff. It ain't fun. If it wasn't for the wind and it was just snowing hard, I would love to go out and video trucks, because that's something that you don't see on YouTube very often. I think that was a Duramax going up the road there. Sidewalks are dry over here, so we get off the road. Not too much in the parking lot here. Except up there, it looks like there's some more trees down. Sorry if I'm a little pointing this thing at the ground. I really can't see too well because with the bright snow and wearing sunglasses. So wearing sunglasses and trying looking at the screen, it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing. But yep, there's some more stuff. Looks like it shredded that tree pretty good. There's no top to it. This one's pretty low. I'm surprised that didn't come down. Here's some more stuff. More melted snow. If you guys haven't noticed, I did a loop. So I'm really not sure why these wires are down up here. I don't know what happened, because there's no trees on them. The wires go over the trees. The snow's melting pretty good. I'm sure by tonight, probably about 75% of it will be gone. Yeah, he's got the right idea. He's got a generator. The salt that melts all the ice is really busting up the sidewalks. But that'll happen, no doubt. But that's how the bolt's kind of bent. I don't know if it's been like that or it's just now doing that. I haven't paid attention to that one. Look at all the water running down the street. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's all ice that's melted, snow that's melted. Well, if I ever do get Wi-Fi up or the power does come back on tonight, I'll upload this first, and then you'll have the insight on the next truck video, because I have a lot of truck videos that need to be uploaded yet. Well, now that I went out and looked around and got a little feel of what's going on, I'll have to get back home and start shoveling my sidewalks. So, this is Austin Trains. I hope you enjoyed this little different of a video, getting to see what the storm has done. Tell me what below if you got anything in the area, or wherever you live, if you got anything or got a power outage. I'm sure I'll be interested. So, I hope you see. Blah, blah. That's one for the blooper reel. Until next time, Austin Trains out. that'll do it. Yeah, that'd be lucky. I had this whole driveway to park in, and I parked it back there, and that's where it would have landed.
Did you get it?
Yeah.